Hi cutie, Grace here. Today we are going to draw hot air balloon. So let's get started. First, draw a balloon shape. So will be a curve down here. And stop at here. And now for the right side too, just continue with the point here. Following down, look same with the left side, so you can get a perfect shape for the balloon. Okay, now we will draw two curved lines. And 4 lines down. And a curve again to make the balloon basket. Now we are going to draw some lines for the balloon. So 5 lines here. 1, 2. Just draw it slowly. 3. 4. 5. I hope you are following with me. And now, here with 2 round eyes, with the circle inside, and with the detail. And draw the mouth. And now we have a hot air balloon here. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.